Hi, my name is Divyaa Advaani. I'm an image consultant, etiquette, and a soft skills coach by profession, and founder of the brand Suave U. I am also the author of the book called 101 Tips and Tricks to Enhance and Upgrade Yourself and Your Image. It is available on Amazon worldwide. I will put the link in the description box below. In today's video, I shall be discussing about what you can wear for certain occasions and what kind of accessories you can pair up with, the kind of colors you should be playing with, and a lot many things. So stay tuned. But before we get started, I would request you to please click on the subscribe button if in case you haven't done so yet. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you get regular updates from my channel. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. I had a small puja in my house today and I decided to go all Indian. So that is exactly what I did. I picked up an Indian outfit, but making sure that the colors I picked for the puja were good enough and they were apt as per the Indian traditions. So I picked a navy blue color, and since this was a morning puja, I didn't go completely dark or completely light. The lighter shades you can opt for, but if in case you decide to go in for a darker shade like I have done with the navy blue color, make sure you break it with different soft and light colors like I have done with a white color dupatta. Moving ahead to the color of your skin tone. So now when you pick colors of the fabrics, the outfits that you have to wear, you have to make sure that you understand what your skin tone is, and then based on that you can pick colors that complement you and your skin tone. You need to enhance yourself with the colors you play around with. Moving ahead to the accessories, make sure that you accessorize yourself well because only a plain outfit would not add that glow to your entire image. So like today, I added some chanpali's earring that I had, a silver chanpali and a silver bracelet to accompany the look. With my hair, I decided to go with a bun and not keeping it open because during the puja it gets really hot if the ventilation is not there, and at the same time there is a havan going on, so it gets very hot and there's a lot of smoke coming around. So I decided to tie my hair up in a bun, and to accessorize it well I use these mogras to give it a complete Indian touch. Based on your face structure, you can decide the kind of hairstyle you want to go with. For a round face, you can keep your hair open and in the front. If you have an elongated face, you can make sure you can also go in for a bun like this. Moving ahead to the shoes, people would think that why would you need shoes in a puja? This is to remind you that once the puja is over and you have people around you, it doesn't, and you are in a space where the puja is not happening, it is essential that you wear your shoes and move around. So you should be wearing a nice pair of shoes so that it complements your outfit and not just there for the sake of it. Also, make sure that the makeup you're doing is a very light makeup. Like you can see, I have put a nude shade lipstick along with an eyeliner, and that's about it. If you go too loud on your makeup, the look of your entire outfit gets a bit shabby. Of course, there are people who would love to go with loud makeup. You may do so if that suits your personality type. For me, it doesn't really work well. That is why I decided to keep my makeup very natural. This is all that we are going to talk about in today's video. I would request you to put up your suggestions in the comment section below and tell me what would you like to know next and what video would you like me to make next. Thank you so much and stay tuned to my next video.